Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this short video, I'm going to be showing you a trip I took to EPCOT with my kids. You'll be seeing a mixture of fun kid things that we did and some of the food that we tried. Enjoy!
You like fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your